The durable Jeep Stroller Weather Shield is waterproof and windproof. It fits most single strollers with a canopy and is easy to install. There are air vents positioned on both sides to allow proper airflow while keeping your child completely dry. The stroller weather shield will also provide great protection. The clear view allows your little passenger to be safe and still see the world. And there is a convenient see-through essentials pocket for money, keys, pacifiers, wipes, and more. When not in use, the Jeep Stroller Weather Shield comes with its own convenient storage bag.